In Ohio, Honda is piloting a system that uses vehicle technology to evaluate road conditions and detect possible hazards. The system uses GPS coordinates and cameras to collect roadway information that can be shared with road operators. When the vehicle is monitoring lane marking conditions, the system visually classifies lane lines to the left and right using 4 colors: green, yellow, red, and gray. Green and yellow classifications indicate ideal to good lane marking conditions. The system displays gray classifications when there are no lane lines, and red if the lane markings need repair. That road condition information, including relevant images and video clips, is captured by the vehicle and streamed to a secure platform for analysis. Road operators can access this platform to gain real-time insights and reports on the location, type, and severity of the road hazard, as well as a still image and video to help them maintain the roadway in a more efficient and timely manner. Connected vehicles can also access that data to adjust their advanced driver assist system's perception settings and, if needed, warn drivers if lane markings are faded or need repair. With this vehicle-generated road condition reporting system, Honda hopes to help road operators monitor road conditions in a more frequent, efficient, and cost-effective way and help keep roads safe for everyone.